Saber and conocer. Okay. Both of those mean to know. But as with ser and estar, right, which both mean to be, and por and para, which both mean for, these are used in very different contexts. Um, Largely, saber is used to refer to knowing a fact, right? Knowing something, right? Knowing a math problem, knowing the time, um, let's see, knowing what the capital of North Carolina is, right? Whereas conocer is getting to know something or someone, being familiar with someone or something, right? Like knowing New York as in being familiar with it, right? Knowing a person, right? Um, so um, so that is saber versus conocer. Let me give you an example. ¿Sabes el número de Rosa? Okay. So, do you know Rosa's number? Okay, so I'm talking about, is it a fact that you know it, right? Yes or no? Right? Do you know this fact, this number, right? Phone number that I need. Um, Now that's different from saying, "Conoces a Rosa?" Do you know Rosa? Like, are you familiar with her? Like, do you know of her? And that's being familiar with Rosa, obviously. Let me show you how this works with cities. All right, I'm gonna go back to conocer real quick. Conoces Nueva York? You familiar with New York City? Hey, have you ever been there? Have you lived there? Have you spent time there? So that's in the context of conocer. Now let me show you what talking about New York might look like when I'm using saber. ¿Sabes la ciudad más grande de los Estados Unidos? Do you know the largest city in the United States? So, do you know that fact? Yes, I do. Sí, la ciudad más grande de los Estados Unidos es Nueva York. So, in this case, I'm asking for a fact. So, versus have I gotten to know the city? So, that's about it for saber and conocer in general. If you know that saber means more on the lines of knowing a fact, and conocer is being familiar with something or someone, then you should be